Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you stuck in a job that feels more like a chore than a calling? Do you spend your Sundays dreading Monday morning? What if I told you that your dream job isn't just a fantasy? It's out there, waiting for you to find it. But the map to get there? It's not what you think. Forget everything you've been told about just following your passion. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate practical guide to not just finding, but actually landing the job you were meant to do. Let's get started. First things first, let's bust a huge myth, the idea of having one single lifelong passion. For most of us, that's not how it works. Our interests evolve, we grow, and what excited us at 20 might not be the same at 30 or 40. Instead of searching for a passion, let's focus on identifying your curiosity compass. What topics do you find yourself Googling late at night? What kind of articles or videos do you naturally gravitate towards? Maybe it's sustainable living, vintage cameras, or data analytics. Don't judge it, just list it. This compass points towards areas where you have a genuine intrinsic motivation to learn and grow. For example, my friend Alex was an accountant, but he was always obsessed with woodworking blogs and tutorials. He didn't quit his job overnight. He started a small weekend project, then another and another. His curiosity led him to a side hustle, which eventually became his full-time dream career as a custom furniture maker. His passion didn't lead him, his curiosity did. So you've got your list of curiosities. Now what? It's time for step 2. Skill stacking. A dream job is often at the intersection of what you enjoy and what you're good at. But here's the secret. You don't need to be the world's best at one single thing. Instead, become uniquely valuable by combining several skills. Think of it like building with Legos. One brick is just a brick, but combine a few different shapes and colors and you can build something amazing. Let's say you're curious about graphic design. You have some experience in marketing, and you're a pretty good writer. Separately, these skills are common. But stack them together, you become a brand storyteller, someone who can create compelling visuals, write persuasive copy, and understand how to market a product. That's a rare and highly valuable combination. I once coached a client, Sarah, who loved organizing events and was also a tech enthusiast. She learned basic coding for website management and combined it with her event planning skills. She's now a sought-after conference organizer for major tech companies, a niche she created by stacking her skills. What skills can you stack? Now that we have our curiosities and a plan for skill stacking, it's time for the most crucial step, the test drive. You wouldn't buy a car without test driving it, so why would you commit to a career path without trying it out first? The goal here is to get real-world experience, even on a small scale, to see if the reality matches the fantasy. This isn't about landing the perfect internship right away. It's about creating low-stakes experiments. If you're interested in digital marketing, don't just read about it. Offer to run the social media account for a local coffee shop for free for a month. If you think you want to be a writer, start a blog and commit to publishing one article a week. Thinking about becoming a therapist? Volunteer for a crisis hotline to see if you can handle the emotional demands. My friend Maria thought she wanted to be a veterinarian because she loved animals. She spent a summer volunteering at a local clinic. She quickly realized that while she loved the animals, the emotional toll of seeing them in pain was too much for her. It was a tough but invaluable lesson that saved her years of study and thousands of dollars. She pivoted to animal photography, combining her love for animals with her creative side, and she's never been happier. These small bets give you data, not just dreams. Okay, so you've explored your curiosities, identified your skill stack, and test-driven a few options. Now you're starting to get a clear picture of what your dream job might look like. The next step is to reverse engineer your path. Find people who are already doing what you want to do. Don't just admire them from afar. Study them. Look at their LinkedIn profiles. What was their first job out of college? What skills do they list? Did they get a specific certification? What companies did they work for? This isn't about copying their exact path because everyone's journey is unique. It's about identifying the key milestones and skills required to get into that field. For instance, if you want to become a user experience designer at a top tech company, you'll likely notice a pattern. Most of them have a strong portfolio showcasing real-world projects. So your first major goal isn't get a job at Google, it's build a killer portfolio. By breaking down the end goal into smaller, manageable steps, the entire journey becomes less intimidating and much more achievable. You're no longer staring at a giant mountain, you're looking at the first stepping stone. With your roadmap in hand, it's time to build your network. And I know the word networking can sound so corporate and fake, so let's reframe it. Don't network, make friends and build genuine connections. Instead of blindly adding people on LinkedIn and asking for a job, approach it with a mindset of curiosity and learning. Reach out to those people you've been studying and say something like, "Hi, name. I truly admire the work you've done in their field. I'm currently learning about a specific skill and found your career path really inspiring. Would you be open to a quick 15-minute virtual coffee so I could ask you a couple of questions about your journey?" People are generally happy to share their stories, especially when you show genuine interest and respect for their time. Remember, the goal isn't to ask for a job. The goal is to build a relationship and gain insights. These connections are invaluable. They can lead to mentorship, advice, and yes, eventually, job opportunities that you would never find on a public job board. This is how the hidden job market works. It's not about what you know or even who you know. It's about who knows you and what you can do. Finally, let's talk about the mindset you need for this journey. Embrace the process and stay flexible. Finding your dream job is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process of discovery and adjustment. You might start down one path and realize it's not the right fit, and that's okay. That's not a failure. It's a data point. Maria, my friend who decided not to be a vet, didn't see it as a waste of a summer. She saw it as a successful experiment that guided her toward a better-fitting career. The world is constantly changing, new jobs are being created every day, and you will continue to evolve as a person. The perfect job for you today might be different from the perfect job for you in 5 years. So, hold your plans loosely, stay curious, keep learning, and be open to unexpected opportunities. The goal isn't to reach a final destination called dream job and then stop. The goal is to build a career that feels authentic, engaging, and fulfilling, a career that grows and changes with you. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to finding your dream job. It's not about waiting for a magical passion to strike. It's about actively exploring your curiosities, strategically stacking your skills, testing your ideas in the real world, learning from those who've gone before you, building genuine connections, and embracing the journey. This is an active, iterative process, but it's one that puts you in the driver's seat of your own career. You have the power to design a work life that you're excited to wake up to. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring. What's one curiosity you're going to explore this week? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. If you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might be feeling stuck, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. We have so much more to share to help you build a life you love. Until next time, keep exploring and keep building. Bye for now.